when should you not use a heat pump? If you're in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and your home is not staying warm during colder weather, your system may be reaching its limits. Heat pumps are highly efficient, but they become less effective when outdoor temperatures drop too low. When it gets extremely cold, especially below about -13 degrees Fahrenheit for standard air source systems, there is not enough heat in the air for the system to extract efficiently. This can cause your heat pump to run constantly, struggle to reach your set temperature, and increase energy use. In Tulsa, Oklahoma, extreme cold is not common, but during winter cold snaps, your system may rely more on auxiliary heat or a backup furnace. If your home has poor insulation or an older unit, this can make the problem more noticeable. If your heat pump is struggling to keep up, contact ProThermal Heating and Cooling to evaluate your system and make sure your home stays comfortable all winter long.